Storm's Tech Channel here. Today, I'm doing a video about OnePlus, so I'm on 925google.com here, so if you guys want to check out this article, add link will be down below. So, as you guys know, OnePlus is shutting down, it's being shut down, in the US and Europe, later this week. Today is July 14th when I am recording this video here, July 14th. So, pretty soon, OnePlus will be shut down, and you guys will have to look elsewhere to get a phone from a manufacturer, right? So if you guys want to check this out, like I said, I think will be down below here. So it says here, OnePlus will reportedly officially shut down in the US and Europe later this week. So sad news for those of you who have OnePlus or just have OnePlus fan. As you guys know, OnePlus used to be the budget king back probably 10 years ago when they first launched. They launched the OnePlus One back in 2014, and that was the budget killer back in 2014. So, do you guys remember that phone? You know, it's been 12 years that OnePlus has been out and operating. So, yeah, this is sad news for OnePlus fans and stuff like that. So, let's go ahead and check this out here. So, it says here the end is near and the clock is ticking. OnePlus is reportedly going to be shut down for good in the US and Europe markets as of this week. For months now, it's been abundantly clear that OnePlus is shutting down in global markets. We've known about this for several months now. I did a bit about it when it first got reported that OnePlus was going to shut down sometime this year. It will. It all started earlier this year when a bizarre AI aided report. So it's AI aided. So take that as you will. Hit the web claiming that OnePlus would be winding down, though without citing sources at the time. OnePlus refuted the claim, but it was obviously things were brewing after mishaps, years of missteps and neglect. We here at 9 to 5 Google later reported that OnePlus would wind down in global markets, and it was just a couple of weeks after that when OnePlus officially confirmed it was re-evaluating its future in Europe, among other changes. Yeah, I did a bit about this early in the year. I did it on 9 to 5 Google. I'm pretty sure that's where I got the information from was from 9 to 5 Google when they reported it. So I did a bit about it when that happened. So it said the downward spiral has continued in the months since, with mysterious announcements of products that were expected to hit global markets, reported internal mergers inside of Oppo's empire, and most recently a change to the OnePlus website where, in several reasons, the brand is actively pushing customers to buy from Oppo instead. Even Oxygen OS is on the chopping block. So uh that sucks for fans of the Oxygen OS. If you guys don't know what Oxygen OS is, basically it's skin over Android. So it's Oppo's and OnePlus is it's basically OnePlus's skin over Android. That's basically Oxygen OS. So that could be on the way out too. So that sucks for that too. Now the end is here almost. One Future reports that OnePlus is gearing up for an official withdrawal. One Future reports OnePlus is gearing up for an official withdrawal from the US and European markets, with the announcement due in the coming days this week. So sometime this week, there should be an announcement of OnePlus shutting down in US and Europe markets. So that's gonna suck. Closed door press conferences have apparently happened, with no details shared on the exact reason OnePlus as a brand is shutting down in these markets. India and China are, as far as this report claims, not affected. It's only for US and Europe markets. So, if you are in India or the China market, you guys will continue to buy OnePlus products, and you guys should be good to go. I would say, quote unquote, for now, and we'll see what happens with that later down the line. The report, citing well-informed sources, notes that this OnePlus announcement will come amidst, quote, fundamental changes to Oppo's strategy, but the big point here is the global death of OnePlus. Rest in peace. So, looks like a manufacturer is being shut down in the U.S. and European markets sometime this week. That sucks for those of you who are a OnePlus fan. Um, I remember when OnePlus launched back in 2014. They launched the OnePlus One. I remember that phone was being tabbed as the budget killer back in 2014, because that phone was like what, 300, 400 bucks back in 2014. The OnePlus One was a very nice looking phone. It had 5 specs for 300 bucks. So back in 2014, that was still back in 2014. So yeah, this sucks to see OnePlus go in the U.S. and European markets. So what do you guys think about this? Would you guys try to import a OnePlus phone from somewhere else, or will you guys switch to a different phone manufacturer? So this sucks for OnePlus. This sucks for OnePlus fans, and that's another phone brand that will be ceasing operation. So you guys have to choose something else for your phone services. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.